what's up guys, it's your boy the Corvette back again with another video. It's not super long this time, but we're going on a little birthday cruise for a couple of our people here, Rod and Alex. Just a quick little cruise that happened last minute. I actually got invited, and it should be a cool one. We're just gonna do, like you said, a cruise, and we're just gonna basically go around and hopefully I get some cool footage, some drone, blah blah blah. You already know how this stuff goes, so I'm not gonna talk too long like I do in some of these videos. But anyway, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel, guys. I do appreciate everything y'all do for me here. We got a lineup here, a little small lineup for a little birthday cruise. It's the birthday boy right there, Rod, and then the birthday boy right there. Ah, we got this squad over there.
Right? Yeah. Who's that Nick?
Oh snap, we got more people coming up.
That's the one he's selling it.
Way too risky, way too fly, too pimpsy. Wait, don't miss me, wait, not high enough. Stay in your crash, I came through buying up, left out bags. I ain't too fond of the fakes, grass ain't got no snakes. Everything trim, I'm sliding on days. Everything him, I'm trying to be great, but I fall back quick. Ride, pop off, go in, slide. Electric Tesla, moving silence, better get blessed up. I ain't impressed when you talk about what you gon' do, boy, you gon' have to back it. Really ain't doing no back and forth, only thing I know is action. Right now. Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Doing my thing, ducking the drugs. Flew out to Houston for white gold slugs. Cop a little something to work to the function. Old head said I got gumption. Oh yeah, and I got flavors. House on the hill, I ain't hearing my neighbors. Heard I got rumors, wow, amazing. I mean, first salad with the crazies. More status, more patience. Keep the grass cut, landscaping. Yeah, I'm back up, no benches, let it stack up. No mentions, no halftime, ain't no timeout. Who next? Yeah, let me find out. On the corner like I left timeout. Everything gon' go, get it right now. Right now. Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Rise up.
Sometimes you gotta pop out. They not like us. 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 Come foul. I don't know why you still protect me. What is the how? What is this and burn bitches? No, it's not talk. Shit, this guy is how you want it.
do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Raise up.
some people need some gas before we go on the cruise, but I can see there's people behind us. Repping my Aggie shirt, Giga Maggies. Got a little bit of rain that came in, guys, so we'll have to make the best of the best situation right now with this rain that just blew in out of nowhere.
Way too risky, way too fly, too pimpsy. Wait, don't miss me. Wait, not Honda, stay in your clash. I came through burn up, left out legs. I ain't too fond of the fakes. Grass ain't got no snakes. Everything trim, I'm slide no days. Everything him, I'm tryna be great, but I fall back quick. Ride, pop up, go ahead, slide. Electric Tesla, move in silence, better get blessed up. I ain't impressed when you talk about what you gon' do, boy, you gon' have to back it. Really ain't doing no back and forth. Only thing I know is action. Right now. 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 Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Flew out to Houston for white ghost slugs. Cop a little something to put to the function. Oh, head said I got gumption. Oh yeah, I got flavors. House on they hill, ain't hear my neighbors. Heard I got rumors. Wow, amazing. I'm being first salad with the crazies. More status, more patience. Keep the grass cut, landscape. Yeah, I'm back up. No benches, let it stack up. No mentions, no halftime, ain't no timeout. Who next? Yeah, let me find out. On the corner like I left timeout. Everything gon' go, get it right now. 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 Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do?
Yeah. I remember syrup sandwiches and grill allowances with us and
What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Doing my thing, ducking the drugs. Flew out to Houston for white ghost slugs. Cop a little something to put to the function. Old head said I got gumption.
All right, guys, so we stopped real quick. We're at some Scenic overlook right now. Put the drone up. There's a squad in the shade, smart. But yeah, so I'm up to put the drone up, get some shots. Sun's starting to come out. And hope y'all enjoying the video so far. So peaceful, so quiet, nice. Yeah, real scenic. Alright guys, so we stopped at another gas station real quick. We're just getting some fuel, whatever, and then we're just gonna do one last little pass with a drone to kind of get some cool footage. And hopefully the video is not going too long. I'll have to edit this. This is pre-editing, so yeah.